Hola amigos, welcome back. Today we have a problem, a big problem. I am hungry. Eu estou com fome. But my bolo, my cake, is gone. O meu bolo desapareceu. Today you and I are going to find out who ate it. And we are going to learn the personal pronouns in Portuguese while we do it. Let's go, vamos lá. First suspect, is it you? In Portuguese, when I talk to a friend, I say tu. Did you eat my cake? Tu comeste o meu bolo? No, you are watching the video. Tu estás a ver o vídeo. Aha, look at him. In Portuguese, he is Ele. Ele looks suspicious. Ele parece suspeito. But he was sleeping. Ele estava a dormir. Okay, it wasn't him. Não foi ele. What about her? She, in Portuguese, is Ela. Ela looks innocent. Ela parece inocente. Well, nós, that means we, nós have a mystery. Nós temos mistério. Wait, before we catch the thief, we have to say the pronouns correctly. Listen closely. Number 1. Ele versus Ela. Ele. It's not L-E. It's short. Ele. Ela. Open your mouth. Ela. Ela. Number 2. The S sound. When we have a big group like they, we say Eles for boys or a mixed group, or Elas for girls. In Portuguese, that S at the end, it sounds like sh. Repeat, Eles, Elas. Good boy! Look, Elas, the ants, as formigas, are girls in Portuguese, so we say Elas. Elas are eating my cake. Elas estão a comer meu bolo. Hey vocês, you all, stop those ants. Hey vocês, parem essas formigas. Well, the ants won this time. As formigas ganharam desta vez. Eu will eat this apple instead. Eu vou comer esta maçã. And tu, don't forget to subscribe for more mysteries. E tu, não esqueças de subscrever. Tchau!